Hello friends, I Purushottam Maurya welcomes you on this A to Z exam group platform. Today we will study about arithmetic progression. So friends, how we recognize, how we identify which given progression is arithmetic progression. So the criteria for determining of any given progression or series is difference of the terms from the previous term is always same, meaning thereby that if it is given to you as 2, 4, 6, and 8, right friends, is given to you on this screen is as 2, 4, 6, and 8, 2, 4, 6, and 8, and you subtract it successively. 4 minus 2 you will get 2. If you subtract 6 minus 4 you will get 2. If you subtract 8 minus 6 you will get 2. It means that if you subtract the previous term from the next term you will get same difference, and the same difference because it is same, that's why it is called a common difference, and it is generally denoted by small d or capital D, whichever the alphabet you and comfortable you can write small d or capital D. And since it is a first term of the series, so it is called a first term of series, and it is, since last in this case, so it is called the last term, right? Last term. And any term in between this, right, is can be calculated by a general formula. And what is the general formula to finding the any term of the series is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a represents first term, as I have told you. First, n represent the number which term we are going to determine, and d denotes the difference. What is the common difference between the terms? Let us take, if this is a series and you to find the third term, right? It means you will find a3 in this case. And what you do, you will put the value of n as 3. It means the value of a, it means first term is 2, and value of n, that is 3 minus 1. The common difference in this case is 2. By solving, 2 plus 2 into 2 we'll get 6, and the third term from starting is 6 in this series, so it is proved. Now let us see some conceptual question based on this formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. These are very important questions which are frequently come in CBSE, ISSC, UP board, and some other state board examinations, and in JEE means and advanced. So let us see. The question given is, if the pth, qth, and rth term of an AP are A, B, C respectively, then show that A q minus r plus b r minus p plus c p minus q equal to 0. So let us see. If we have to find out the pth term, let us first assume two things. The first term is a, and common difference it is capital D. So the pth term what? Pth term equal to a plus p minus 1 into d, and the qth term is a plus q minus 1 into d, and rth term is a plus r minus 1 into capital D. So friends, we have to put what? The value of pth term is what? A, it is B, and it is C. And the first equation identity which we have to prove is, at the place of A we put this, we at the place of B we will put this, and at the place of C we will put this, and see what result we will obtain. So it is A into A plus P minus 1 into D, right? And this is multiplied by Q minus R plus B. B means A plus Q minus 1 into capital D multiplied by R minus P plus C, and the C is A plus R minus 1 into capital D multiplied by P minus Q, right? Now let us see. You have to simplify it just. Up there are two terms, simply A and D. So make a term by taking common A and D. This will make you quite easy, right? So if you take common A, you will get Q minus R plus, from here you will get R minus P, and you will get P minus Q. And if you take common capital D, you will get P minus 1, Q minus 1, once again let us see. If you take common D, then you will get P minus 1 into Q minus R plus Q minus 1 into R minus P plus R minus 1 into P minus Q. So if you try to solve it, it is Q and it is minus Q. Both will be cancelled out. Similarly, this R and this R will cancel out. Similarly, this P and this will be cancelled out. It means A bracket with 0. Similarly, her D. It is, if you try to solve it, you will get uh, P into Q minus R, P into Q minus R minus 1 into Q minus R plus Q into R minus P, and minus 1 into R minus P plus R into P minus Q, and minus 1 P minus Q. So if you further simplify it, you will get PQ minus PR minus Q plus R plus QR minus QP minus R plus P plus RP minus RQ minus P plus Q. And now if you will see, it is plus Q and it is minus Q, this will be cancelled out, this will be cancelled out, this minus P, this is minus P, and this is plus P cancel out, this is minus R, this is plus R cancel out, This is minus PR minus P into R. This minus PR, and you will get this plus PR. It is plus PQ and it is minus PQ. This is QR, it is minus QR. So this will also be cancelled out. So as here you get starting A into 0 plus D into 0. It means 0 into 0. You will get 0. So the first expression given to you is proved. It means A Q minus R plus B R minus P plus C P minus Q equal to 0. Let us see the second one. It's given to you A minus B into R. Then how you will obtain this equation? Name it as equation 1 or there equation 1, 2, 3. If you subtract this successively, right, you want A minus B. It means you to subtract 2 from 1, right? You to subtract 2 from 1 means 1 minus 2. So A minus B equal to what? You will get P minus Q into D. P minus Q into D. Then you want B minus C. You want B minus C. So 2 minus 3 करना पड़ेगा, right? 2 minus 3. It means Q minus R, B minus C equal to Q minus R into D. And then C minus C, it means 3 minus C means R minus P into D equal to C minus A. So friends, now we will put the value in this, right? A minus B into R, the it is given to us. Now let us see. Given to us A minus B into R, A minus B into R plus B minus C into P, A minus B, B minus C, or this is C minus E, and R P and Q. This is P and this is now. We will put the value of A minus B is P minus Q into D. A minus B value P minus Q into D, P minus Q into D into R plus, so B minus C and B minus C, B minus C. Value of B minus C is Q minus R into D, Q minus R into D into P plus value of C minus C, dr minus P, dr minus P to Q, right? So now we will see this. Because D in all the terms, so take common D. If you will take common D over there, what we will get? PR minus QR plus QP minus RP plus QR minus PQ. So it is PQ and PQ, so negative, it cancel out. QR and QR will cancel out, RP and RP will cancel out. So it will get D into 0, it means this will also be proved. Now let us see the next question. It is given to us, if the mth term of an AP be 1 by n, it means what? It means mth term of an AP is 1 by n. Mth term. Let's see, the first term is A, it means 1 by n equal to A plus m minus 1 into the common difference we take D, then this. And nth term of 1 by m. Mth term of an AP be 1 by n, and nth term. And nth term is the nth term. N minus 1 into D. And now we to prove that mth term is 1. So by using these two, we have to calculate the first term and common difference. If you subtract equation, let us see, it is equation 1, it is equation 2. Subtract 1 minus, what will we get? 1 by subtraction takes, now do subtract equation 1 minus 2, we will get 1 by n minus 1 by m equal to m minus n into d. It means m minus n upon mn into m minus n into d. So we cancel out, common difference, we will get m upon n. And now if we put d equal to m by 1 in equation first, then we will get, putting this value, putting this in equation 1, we will get 1 by n equal to a plus m minus 1 into m by n. So it means simply 1 by n equal to a plus m upon mn minus 1 upon mn. It means 1 by n equal to a plus 1 by n minus 1 upon mn. So from here the value of first term is 1 upon mn. Right friends? We have got the two values. The common difference, it is also d, it is also common difference, d is 1 by mn, and the first term of this is also 1 upon mn. And now we have to calculate the mth term. So now let us see how to calculate the mth term. Mth term, we don't know what is the mth term, so let us, first term a plus mth m minus 1 into common difference, and the first term is, as we know, calculated 1 upon mn plus mn minus 1, and common difference is also. So let us see, it is 1 upon mn plus mn upon mn minus 1 upon mn. So this will be cancel out, and this will get 1. So right friends, so the mth term is 1. I think it is proved and you will got the concept. Right friends, now let us see the next question. The next question is on screen. If m times the mth term, m times the mth term of an AP is equal to n times its nth term, and show that the nth term of an AP is 0. So let us see. Let us assume that the first term is A and the common difference is D. Let us assume first term A and the common difference is D. Then it is said to us that M times the mth term. It means M provided. What is provided to us? M into AM equal to N into AN. First of all, we do it, means M into A plus M minus 1 into D equal to N into A plus N minus 1 into D. Right, friends? So let us see. It is, if we transfer the terms from the same side, then we take common A, it will get M minus N. And if we take common D, then what we will get over there? If you take common D, then we will get over there M into M minus 1 and N into N minus 1 in this case, and it equals to 0. So this is A M minus N and this is D M square minus M minus N square plus N. This can be written as M minus N plus D. This will M square minus N square minus M plus N. If you run this later on, this can be written as D M minus N and M plus N minus M minus N equal to 0. So if you take common M minus N, then this can be obtained as E plus M plus N into D minus 1. Sorry. M minus 1 into D. So it means E plus M plus N minus 1 into D equal to 0. And this is nothing but the mth term, right, friends? So this is the expression for A M plus N, that is 0 in this case. So it is proved that the mth term of this AP progression is 0. Dear friends, now review this lecture from starting. As we know, this is called arithmetic progression. So it is how progressing with same difference, right, friends? So it is 2, 4, 6 and 8. It means simply if we subtract the first term from the next term, we will get the difference, and this difference will remain same. That's why it is called a common difference. That is, it is denoted by small d or capital D. The general term of an AP is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a denotes the first term and d denotes the last term and denotes the number of terms in that case. So on the basis of this formula, we have approached the following questions. and it is given as pth kima third terms of an AP is A, B, C, and then we have to prove this result. So by using the above formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, we have write these three equations, and by formatting them suitably, we have put the value of a, b, c in this equation, and similarly in this case we subtract the equation from suitable use, and then we put the value and find the suitable result. And now in this case we have given the mth term and nth term, and by using the above formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, we have proved the above result. And this question also, the condition whatever is given to us, by using the above equation en equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, we have proved the what is said to us in question. So dear friends, I hope that you have understood this lecture very well, and in coming lecture we will solve the some questions based on this formula and study the next topic of this chapter. So friends, I would like to say subscribe this A to Z Exam Guru YouTube channel if you find it useful to your examinations, and share to your friends. Write your comment in comment box. That's why we will make this lecture more useful to you. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. We will meet in next class.